I'm going to demonstrate a crimping technique.
Crimping is a two-step process, and it requires a special tool called a crimp forming plier. Note how the jaw of the plier has two cutouts. The one toward the rear, which we will use first, will indent the crimp on one side into a crescent shape. The one toward the front, which we will use last, will fold the crimp in half. Take your strung beads and place a crimp tube on the wire at one end. Next, place your clasp or toggle onto the wire. Take the end of the wire and run it back through the crimp tube, leaving a tail approximately 1/4 inch long. Be sure that you make the loop holding the toggle or clasp big enough so that the clasp can move about freely. Next, place the crimp inside the crimp forming tool toward the back cutout. Squeeze tightly. The result is a crescent-shaped crimp with one piece of the wire on each side of the middle. Now place the bent crimp in the cutout toward the front of the jaw. Squeeze tightly. The result should be a crimp tube folded completely in half and securely holding your clasp in place. Then, slide your beads over the tail toward the crimp. After that, simply repeat these steps on the other end using a jump ring or toggle.
And that's how you do it.
For more beading tips and techniques, as well as jewelry designs and all of your beading supply needs, visit BreitlingBeads.com.